children, how are you all? I hope you all are good. So, today, just tell me one thing. Can you do all your daily tasks all alone? Tell me, can you treat yourself? Can you do everything on your own self? No, you cannot. You need the help of some other person. Like when you fall sick, you need the help of the doctor, your teacher, who teaches you all the lessons, the postman who delivers letters to you. So these people are known as our helpers. So here in this chapter, we are going to study about all the helpers. So let's explore this chapter with me. Here, first, what are the curricular goals of this lesson? First, we are going to study about our helpers. Who are our helpers? Then we are going to study about some more types of helpers. So let's begin. Here, so mom, look who is at the gate. He has brought some packets. The girl is saying to her mother, Mom, see it, look at the gate. A guy has bring some packets for us. So the mother says, he is a delivery man. Who is he? He is a delivery man. He has brought what I had ordered online. He is our helper. So he had brought all the stuff that I had ordered online. He had brought for us. So he is the helper. The delivery boy is also the helper because he is helping us in any way. So let's talk about our helpers. We see different kinds of people all around us. All around us, we see different faces. We see different types of people. Like some of them provide us services. So some people provide us services when we need them. There are helpers such as mechanic, potter, greengrocer, and plumbers. What are they? They are our helpers. They help us. Mechanic help us in treating our machines. Potter help us. Greengrocer help us. Plumber also help us. So let us learn more about them. So first we are going to study about a mechanic. Who is a mechanic? A mechanic is a person who repairs motor vehicles and other machines. So he is a person who repairs all the machines and motor vehicles for us. For doing his work, he needs several tools like screwdrivers, pliers, jack, and spanners. So he needs some tools like spanners, jack, pliers, and screwdriver. Like you can see in this picture, the mechanic is wearing the car. Now let's move to the next type of helper. Here is a potter who makes pots for us. The person who makes pots, pitcher, and glass is called a potter. Potter makes vase, pitcher, pots from soil. So he makes them with the help of potter wheels and clay. With the help of clay and potter wheels, he makes the pots. He makes pictures and he makes vases for us to make our house beautiful. Now, let's talk about the helper, without whom we cannot eat the vegetables, pulses, seeds. So, a farmer grows crops for us. Who is a farmer? He grows crops for us that we eat in different seasons. He plows the land and sows seeds to grow crops. What does he do? He plucks the lands and sows seeds for us and crops for us. He uses a plow, spade, and sickle. The person who sells vegetables is called a greengrocer. The person who sells vegetables for us, he is known as a greengrocer. Your mother to buys fruits, vegetables from the roadside. Who sells vegetables? He is known as the greengrocer. He weighs the vegetables with the help of weighing scale. Yes, see in the picture, he is having a weighing scale in his hand. He is weighing the vegetables with weighing scale. So now let's move to the next page. Here, plumber. Who is a plumber? The person who repairs our pipes and taps is called a plumber. The person who repairs our pipes, who repairs our taps, he stops the leakage of all the taps. He is known as a plumber. He uses wrench, pliers, and hose cutter. Now let's talk about mason who makes our house, who builds our house. A person who builds our house is called a mason. He uses straws, chisel, and hammer to make our house. Now, see, barber who cuts your hair. So the person who cuts our hair is called a barber. He makes us look smart. He uses comb, brush, and scissors to cut our hair. Now let's move to the next page. Here, let's talk about the doctor who treats us. So, a doctor helps us by examining and giving medicine when we are sick or injured. He examines us and helps us in giving medicine when we are sick, when we are injured. He is helped by a nurse. She also takes care of patients. Now, let's talk about the policeman. A policeman maintains law and order. He helps in catching thieves and thugs. What does he help in? He helps in catching thieves and thugs. He makes the proper law and order. He maintains the law and order in our society. Now let's move to the next page. Here are some more helpers. You can see in the pictures. The first one is a dancer who entertains us by performing dance. So who is a dancer who entertains us by performing different kinds of dance like classical, Kathakali. So a clown performs funny acts to make us laugh. Who is a clown who performs funny acts to make us laugh? He is an entertainer. An actor is a person who acts in plays, movies, and or television programs. So next is traffic policeman who controls traffic on the road. He sees, he watches, he controls all the traffic on the road. Now let's talk about a choreographer. A choreographer is a person who teaches steps in a dance. He is a choreographer who teaches you how to dance, what are the steps of a dance. Now we should be respectful and polite to our helpers irrespective of their work. We should respect every profession. We should respect every helper who help us in any kind of work. So now let's move to the next page. Here, let's check your knowledge what you have learned till here. The very first question. That is who help us when we are sick. When we are sick, who help us? Tell me the correct answer. Here are some options. Teacher, doctor, or farmer. Who help us? Yes, the doctor. The doctor helps us when we are sick. Now let's move to the second question. Which helper deliver letters to our home? Who deliver letters to our home? Soldier, carpenter, or postman? Tell me the right answer. Yes, the postman delivers letters for our home. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. So you should respect every profession. You should help your parents. You should help every helper also. You cannot do anything on your own. You need the help of any person like policeman, doctor, teacher, postman, any profession. So you should respect everyone, occupation and profession. See you in the next class.